Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another Beauty Bakerie palette, and this time it's a highlighter palette. This is the Milk and Honey highlighter palette. And I got this in my September 2021 Boxycharm premium box. So if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this has a retail value of $38. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, and it looks beautiful. And the pan size is huge. I am so excited to swatch these and play around with them. I love the shades, just first impression. So let's go ahead with some swatches. Like this pink one looks so pretty. A classic champagne tone, the bronzy tone, and like a copper. Oh my goodness, they definitely feel buttery. Oh my gosh. And they swatch so beautifully, so bright, glistening and reflective, exactly what I like in my highlighters. These look incredible. They're so bright, it's a little hard to see the swatches on camera, but here are what they look like. I am going to try and do a look using all of these colors. So the one that looks like copper orange is actually a beautiful gold shimmer. I really like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of these on my eyes and some of these on my face. First, I think I'm gonna start out, and I'm just gonna use my finger to apply these because that's how I apply my highlighter. But I'm gonna take the, spoiler alert, the more silver white shimmer, and this is going to be a perfect shade for that brow highlight. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It's got very tiny little shimmer sparkle to it, it looks like, but then it's also a really reflective glow. So I love this shade for that inner corner highlight to brighten up the eyes, give such a beautiful effect, and great for the brow. And it's buildable too, like it doesn't go on way too pigmented, but you can definitely build it up to as bright and blinding as you want. I love that already. Okay, next I'm gonna pick up, I think the gold and the pink would be both beautiful on the face. So I think I'm gonna do one cheek in each. So first I'm gonna pick up the pink one called Oh Honey. And just using my finger, because this is how I always apply my highlighter, I just blend it over the cheek. See, that's one layer there. That's pretty subtle and natural, but I definitely want to build it up a bit. And that is buildable, but very easy to blend out. Looks so smooth on the skin. Since it's such a buttery texture, it doesn't leave any powder texture behind. And it's also not emphasizing the pore texture on my cheeks either. But so pretty, flattering, and it actually looks pretty natural, like natural radiance. But at the same time, it's definitely a beautiful highlighter on the cheek, and like you can tell I'm wearing highlighter, but I love that it also just kind of goes with the skin so naturally. I definitely think that this pink shade is a perfect cheek highlighter shade for my skin tone. But let's see how the gold, called Be Sweet, looks on the other cheek. I feel like this could give more of a sun-kissed glow and kind of warm up the skin a bit. Wow, that looks really good too. It's maybe a little bit less of a natural, like cohesive color with my skin tone. I definitely have like the cool tone to my skin. I have pink undertones, but if you have more of a warm tone and more gold undertones, I think this would be your perfect natural highlight shade. But it still looks really beautiful on my skin as well. And I feel like it's kind of giving more of that glass skin effect. See how reflective? Oh my gosh. So pretty, and it just looks so incredibly smooth, which I love. Oh, I'm so glad that all of these shades are going to be able to have use on my face and my makeup look. Like, I could just use these cheek colors interchangeably, mix them together. So that's what I really like in a highlight palette, when I'm actually going to be able to use all of the colors. So the last shade I have left to use is the bronze one called Queen Being, and I think this is going to be beautiful on the eyelid. So I'm just, once again, using my finger. I love how easy it is to just apply these with my finger. And I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid because I feel like it is the perfect shade of bronze to go all over the lid and up on the crease brow bone area for a easy, beautiful one color eyeshadow look, because it's not too dark of a brown that it's overwhelming when I put it all over my entire eyelid, but it just kind of adds that sparkle, shine, helps emphasize the eyes. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is definitely going to be a go-to eye look for me. I mean, this is a highlighter palette, but it's going to be a go-to eye palette for me as well, because I love the brow and inner corner highlight shade, and I love this bronze shade all over the lids. It could not be any faster and easier to apply, but it definitely adds a little something to the look. So pretty. And then the gorgeous cheek highlight. So for me, this is a really perfect travel highlight palette because it's my highlighter and my eyeshadow in one. Like, this is my finished look. It's so glowy, it's so pretty, but it's simple, fast, easy, which is what I really love. I am really happy with the formula. It's just so blendable, smooth, buttery, and buildable. So I really have no complaints. No complaints about the formula, no complaints about the color. I love how huge these are, especially since I'm so excited to get daily use out of these. So let me know in the comments down below, of course, your thoughts on the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlight Palette and what uses you have for this. Where are you applying your highlighter? I mean, I could also apply it to the body as a little lip topper. So many uses for this palette. $38 is expensive, but at least I feel like it's gonna be worth the money after all the use and how long it's gonna last with those huge pans. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.